Hey everyone, today let's take a look at the Ionic Design Kit, a valuable tool that makes app development faster and easier for both designers and developers. On the left side of your screen, we're diving into some coding with snippets straight from the official Ionic documentation. In the center, you'll see the layout come together, built entirely with the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right, we've set up a phone emulator to display what our code looks like in action, live and in real time. The Ionic Design Kit, built on Ionic framework components, gives designers ready-to-use elements, saving time and effort. For developers, all components are straight from the Ionic framework, simplifying collaboration with designers. Now, about the loading screen, it's usually the first thing users see and offers helpful loading feedback, setting a good first impression. Pause the video anytime to review details and grab all code snippets on our website, link below. Thanks for watching. Let's make your next app project faster and more enjoyable. Happy coding, and here's to building apps that users will love.